Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm excited to be unboxing this new Brita filter. And this is their smaller version that fits in your fridge, has a handle on it. And it is time for me to upgrade my last one. I've been using this for a long time. And this is the newest model of that same Brita filter. So, looks like when I ordered this, the shape changed a little bit. But we'll see soon. So this is the Brita Metro Pitcher in bright white. All right, here we go. Let's see how Brita changed this. Oh, tape. Oh, I'll just unpeel this like so. Excited to get a new Brita filter. Gotta hydrate, guys. Better water for you. Better water for the planet. That is great. That is great cause. All right. Wow. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Look at the new smart filter indicator. All right. So overall, about the same shape. It does look a little rounder than the last model I had, but looks great. Packaged well. Looks like a okay, cool. I thought that was a crack at first, but yeah, looks like it's packaged well, and I'm excited to try this new Brita filter. Oh, let's see. Where's the filter? Does it not come with filter, or is it up here? I don't know. I'll find out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this Brita filter in the comment section below. And as always, I will drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I will see you all next time. Later.